right, what's up everybody? I'm going to do this quick video to just show you an example of what's going on out there in the world of hunting for a job as a business analyst. And I've always said that when you're looking for a job, you really have to pay attention, not just to the title of the job, but also to what's actually being asked for in the job description. And here we're looking at an example. I want to call this out because sometimes I also see that there's a lot of employers who just don't have a good grasp of what the business analyst role should be and is, and in their organization they're using business analyst to mean something different than what other organizations use business analysts for. And so there's always this confusion, in my opinion, between what a business analyst does, what a business intelligence analyst does, and what a data analyst does. And in lots of cases the employers don't care. They just hire and call it business analyst. The job now is on us to try to decipher what are they actually asking me to do in this job. And so here we are, right? This is the situation. So in this case, Visa has this job out here for a senior manager business analyst for A2A payment product. And A2A is just another way for them to do transfers. It means account to account transfers. I'm in banking, so I know that. But the idea here is that the role is a business analyst, right? And here they have a little bit about the job. So here they say, as a senior business analyst, A2A payments products. So this is just a product that you're going to be specializing in, right? Don't worry about that too much. You will partner closely with the senior leaders across product, risk, business development, and delivery to derive deep insights from it says form, but it should be from our business data to inform the strategic direction and the product roadmap of Visa's A2A payments and open banking products in North America. You will build a world-class business analytics function. Notice what they said, business analytics. See that? For A2A payments to help the A2A team execute on Visa's 2030 strategy and bring it to life. The right candidate will have equally strong background in data analytics, data processing, and business analytics. Now, why in the world do they call this job a business analyst job when everything here is about data analytics and business intelligence? See what I mean? This role will implement standardized product and business reporting support, building client-facing material, and analyze product performance, commercial terms, and ROI. A successful candidate is an analytical leader with the ability to engage in high bandwidth conversation with business and technology partners and be able to think broadly about Visa's business and drive solutions that will deliver deep business insights for Visa's A2A payment leadership team. This role represents an exciting opportunity to make key contributions to a strategic offering for Visa. The candidate will be comfortable with ambiguity, with strong attention to detail, and excellent collaboration skills. Now that's fine, because as business analysts, we work in ambiguity, right? We thrive there. To be successful in this role, you need to be a self-starter, highly organized, and deeply understanding the value of data to support business decisions. You will need to be able to successfully handle stakeholders on all levels across the organization in a global environment. So the responsibility to say, build, own, and manage the business analytics function of Visa's North America A2A payment. Right? Collect, process, and analyze large data sets to identify trends, patterns, and insights to summarize findings with recommendations to management. Develop and manage reporting and data visualization tools to assist leadership with managing KPIs and KRs for informed decisions making across all business domains: product, tech, risk, user, sales, finance. Understand the full spectrum of visas and Think's business analytics tools and capabilities, right? Develop and maintain dashboards, reports, and metrics to track business performance. So the whole job is a business analytics, data analyst job. But here it is. It's called business analyst, right? So it's not a functional business analyst. It's not an IT business analyst job, right? It is really a data analyst job with a little touch of collaboration here and there, right? With a little touch of having good communication here and there, right? But you're really just working on data. You're really working on data. And it's a data analyst role, right? You need to be heavily into data analytics. And they're even asking for a PhD right here. See, this is the ridiculous things. I don't understand. Let me finish this before I get to that part. So it says, contribute to the development of business strategies by providing detailed analysis on market trends, user and customer behavior, and financial performance. So this is, being able to do trend analysis and all that. Ability to successfully collaborate with product engineering, sales, marketing, and various other teams, right? Identify blockers and paths to remove them. Ensure that all teams have the required business insights to stay on track. Identify areas of improvement. Work closely with client, etc., etc. Okay, so there's that. Qualifications: 8 or more years of relevant work experience with a bachelor degree, or at least 5 years of experience with advanced degree, like a master's degree, and 2 years of experience with a PhD. Okay, I got it. So if you have only a bachelor's, they want 8 years. If you have a master's, they want 5 years. If you have a PhD, they want 2 years. So they are tying the education level to the years of experience, which is wild. But imagine this job, the salary here is between 120 to 175, which is okay. It's not like super great. It's just okay. You know what I mean? That's the salary of a business analyst without all that extra stuff for being a manager, right? So regular business analysts are coming in at 120 also. So it's not like super great. If you're at the higher end, the 175, okay, fine. That's a senior BA. That's okay. But the point of this video was just because I saw this, I was like, you know what? Let me just make a quick video. Hopefully this is quick. That you have to really look at what the job is asking for, because employers don't know. They have a role, they call it business analyst, but that doesn't mean that's what you're doing. This is a data analyst job or business analytics. And this is a widespread problem, right? From the universities all the way down. At university, when you do a course on business analysis, they teach you data analytics, right? And then from there, some companies, they form departments, they form roles, they call it business analysts, it's really data analytics, right? And we have nobody who is standing up for our career to say, hey, guys, there's a difference between a data analyst and a business analyst, okay? And we need to make that clear so that we can avoid the confusion in the job market and people can stop feeling like they have to know everything to get a job. Like now, if you're just leaving college and you're trying to land your first job and you don't understand what's going on in the industry, now you feel like you have to go learn all these reporting stuff. You have to be, exceptional at data analytics. You got to go learn all these tools because that's how you get a business analyst job. But it's not necessarily true. You could be a functional BA, an IT BA, right? And you can work with software tools and you can manage products too. But then you could rely on the data analyst to do the data analytical part. And you as a BA, you do your part as the person who's being the bridge between the business and the development team, right? So there's two streams, right, that's happening right now, and it doesn't need to be that way. I think data analysts should be specific. That's what their career is. And it's not fair for employers to be calling the role business analyst when it's really data analyst. So two fronts. The data analyst community needs to stand up and say, this is what our career is. It's called data analyst. And stop naming our career business analyst. And then the business analyst community needs to stand up and say, hey, these job functions don't belong to us. And we have an organization called the IIBA. I don't know how they can help us with this, but it would be great if there was more knowledge being shared to show the delineation between the two careers so that there can stop being so much confusion. We need somebody to rally for us to say, hey, let's stop this. Let people who are trying to be business analysts in a functional way have clarity in the job market to find the job that they can do. And people who are working as data analysts, that they can not have to be searching for business analyst jobs, because who knows what the employers are putting out there. We need to make that very, 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 very clear, I think PMI has done a great job in defining what a project manager is, and the agile team has done a great job in defining what a scrum master is. So nobody's confusing a project manager with a scrum master. Even if they do the same role, we know that you're actually functioning as a scrum master, even though the two things are so similar in some cases, right? But the agile community has made it clear the scrum master is not a project manager. They made it so clear that none of these employers are out here confused about what a scrum master does and what a project manager does. They're not confused. But when it comes to business analysts and data analysts, it's just a confusion. People are not clear. And I am calling on the IIBA to help us with this, because this is a problem. It's affecting both the candidates who are trying to get jobs, and it's affecting the businesses who don't know what the role is supposed to do and have unrealistic expectations. So let's see how we can get some traction on this. Let's start putting out articles and having a very authoritative voice to differentiate a business analyst from a data analyst. And I'm not just pointing out Visa. There's many other companies that have the same confusion. And we need to get this clarified. So if you guys going to amplify my voice and get it out there and try to get some traction around this, we need to make it clear what a BA is. All right? Thank you all for listening. And that was my spiel. That was my rant for today. And I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.